How to add discount on TikTok Shop. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add discount on TikTok Shop. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on TikTok, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to seller.tiktok.com. Then you will be directed on this homepage of Seller Center, in which from here you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here homepage, products, orders, shipping, promotions, and under promotions, just click promotional tools. Then you will be directed on this page. On the right side panel, we have here create a promotion and manage your promotion section, in which by clicking manage your promotions, from here it will show you the analytics, in which it will show you the amount of your total orders, buyers, and even the promotion name, status, start time, and end time of your promotion. So you will basically see it under this manage your promotions section. And now to start adding a discount on TikTok Shop, just click a create a promotion section, in which from here under the promotional tools, we have here a variety of discount that we could also add, such as the product discount, flash deal, buy more save more, gift with purchase, shipping fee discount, coupon, bundle deal, and creator live giveaway. So let's start by creating or adding a product discount that you can set daily discounts to generate interest and boost sales by clicking create button. From here, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the basic information, such as this promotion name, promotion period, and discount type. So for instance, under this promotion name, we're going to customize this by naming it limited discount, and we're going to remove this date and the time. Now below under promotion period, all you need to do is to simply fill out or select a specific date that we want to start and end the promotion period or the specific discount. And after that, the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter or select the discount type. We have here percentage off and fixed price, in which by selecting percentage off, the price is reduced by set of percentage. So this is basically what it looks like when we successfully add the promotion name with percentage off. So that's basically what the customer will see if they get the promotion discount. And below here, you can even turn on the smart discount. It will suggest discount settings for you based on the historical data of similar sellers, helping you to improve your product discount performance. And below here, you can select either product level or variation level. So you could simply select here the products that you want to input or apply with this promotion discount. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking the Submit for Approval button to proceed. And aside from that, going back to this page under Create a Promotion section, you could also add a discount which is called the Flash Deal, which offer limited time deals to incentivize swift purchases, sell excess inventory, or attract new buyers, in which by simply clicking this Create button below here, you will be directed on this page, in which from here all you need to do is to fill out all of this basic information, such as the promotion name, the display channel, we have here all channels, in which customers will see the promotion across TikTok in your shop, shopping center, live videos, and many more. Or you could also choose live only as a display channel. Then below, you could also select the promotion period on when the promotion will start or end. When you choose live only, under the promotion period, you can select either effective immediately or schedule start date. In which by choosing schedule start date, you can select a specific date where to start and when to end. And below here, under the products, you have the choices either to choose product level and variation level, in which by selecting a products, from here you can simply apply the specific products that you want to apply this discount. And after filling out all of the required information, just click Agree and Publish button below here to proceed. But make sure that you also read and understand this flash deal requirements before creating a discount. Now going back in here, you can even add additional discount, which is this buy more save more, that offer product combination deals with tier discount to increase spending per order. By simply clicking this create button below here, you will be directed on this page. So basically the promotion type is when you buy X items, you will get Y's percentage off. So this is basically what it looks like, or what the customer will see when they try to purchase and they see this kind of promotion type. So as you can see, it says here, buy 2 for 10% off or 3 for 20% off. And from here, you can even customize the promotion name if you want to. So for instance, I'm going to enter here, buy 2 for 30% off. And below here, you can even select the promotion period date, which is the starting date, and the end date of this promotion. And under discount settings, just enter here the amount that the customer or the quantity that the customer need to purchase in order to avail this discount or the percentage off. And as you can see below, you can even set this promotion for limited to 1 per customer or set a specific budget for this specific discount. And below here, you can even choose specific products that you want to apply this discount. And by clicking agree and publish, you will now be successfully add the specific discount. Now going back on this page, aside from that discount, you could also add this gift with purchase, in which it offers free gifts to incentivize buyers to purchase more items in single order. By clicking the create button below here, you will be directed on this page, and from here you will see that the promotion type is buy N items to get gifts. So this is basically what the customer will see for these discounts. And this is what the discount looks like in a TikTok shop. And now you'll see on the left side panel that we can even customize the promotion name and also the promotion period that you want this promotion to start and end. And you can even add the main items or the gifts that the customers will be able to get when they avail this discount. And under this gift settings, all you need to do is to enter the quantity that the customer should purchase to avail the discount. And also below here, you can even set this promotion as limited to 1 per customer. And just proceed by clicking agree and publish button in order to proceed. And aside from that discount, you can also add additional discount, which is the shipping fee discount that offers shipping incentives to increase conversions and lower cart abandonment rates. By clicking this create button below here, you will be directed in here. So basically, this is what the customers will see for this discount, which is free shipping. So this is also what it looks like applying in our TikTok shop. And now to proceed, adding basic information such as the promotion name, the promotion period, which is indefinite or specific period that you can select the start time and end time. But I'm going to choose indefinite, and under shipping areas you can choose all areas or specific areas depending on your preferences. You could also choose free shipping or partial discount. Under promotion criteria, we have here minimum spend that you can enter or the minimum quantity that the customer should purchase in order to avail this discount. And also choose to apply to your entire shop or even for just specific products. Then just proceed by clicking agree and publish button in order to proceed. Now going back in here, aside from free shipping, you can even create a coupon to encourage buyers to increase their total orders value and boost overall sales. We have here regular and live coupon, seller new customer coupon, repeat customer coupon, creator exclusive coupon, and chat coupon. And aside from that, you can even add the bundle deal discount for group related products so customers can purchase the products together. By clicking the create button, all you need to do is to fill out all of this basic info such as the promotion name, promotion period, like the discount type which is percentage off or fixed, in which this is basically what it looks like in our TikTok shop when the customers try to purchase a bundle or multiple products in our TikTok shop. And as you can see below here, you can even set the buyer purchase limit and select the products that you want to apply this specific discount. In which, as you can see below here, you can select either create new bundle or select an existing bundle. Then proceed by clicking agree and publish button in order to proceed. Now going back on this page, aside from that, you can even create or add a discount which is creator live giveaway that will connect with creators and manage product allocation for live giveaways. By simply clicking this manage, from here all you need to do is to simply select the specific item that you want to be applied in our discount or creator live giveaway. So basically, these are some of the discounts that you can apply to your TikTok shop. So that is just how you can add discount on TikTok shop. Thank you.